Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E32s, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So there are three aspects that can slow down your device. First aspect, lack of storage. Second, lack of RAM. And third, harmful files and junk files. The first aspect you can slow down your device is a lack of storage. So all information you have on your device is stored by storage, as you can understand. And as you can see, in my case, I have used 67% of my storage, and when you will fill up your storage other than 70% full, your device will start to slowing down. So I suggest you to not to fill your storage over than 70% full. So just you need to just remove unused applications, downloads, images and photos from your device to keep your device fit. Or you need to buy or device with more storage, or you need to clean your device from times to times. Okay, so as you can see, for example, I have apps here, and wait for it. For example, I have onto the benchmark, so click clear cache, clear storage, and of course the better choice to free out the space is to removing applications. So click and hold on it, click uninstall, and make it with all apps you don't need. Great. The second aspect that can slow down your device is the lack of RAM. To free up your RAM, click on the square button and just unload your applications. Great. And the third aspect that can slow down your device is harmful and junk files. To clean these files from your device, you need to find Files application on your phone. Click Clean. And here you will see duplicates, here you will see large files, and of course here we have our storage. Calculating, here you will see trash. You need to remove trash files from time to time, and remove remove large files and delete duplicates from your device to keep your device in good condition. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.